Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In another 2 minutes, sir will come and join you.
My charger cover.
Hi everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Hi everyone. Good morning, ma'am.
డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి కూర్చుంటాను కావాలంటే.
Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, all of you.
Good morning, everyone.
Change.
Hello, friends. La 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 la. Hello. Hello, 1 2 3 mic testing.
This exam from 7, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
History.
Dad.
అమ్మా డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఆ సౌండ్ అంతా వస్తుంది టీవీది. హిస్టరీ చెక్ చేయిస్తావు కదా, పర్వాలేదు, ఓకేనా?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi. Good evening, sir.
Netaji, ma'am, not so.
Today is general science.
Ritvik, it's Sir Bindu Madhav, sir. It's general science, Bindu Madhav, sir. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Cyclone Madhuri.
పిలిచావా
Good evening, everyone. In this session, we will be starting the last chapter of the Sainik portion. That is the question and answer of the last chapter. And so after studying this, finally, we will be completing the portion of general science. So I should tell you people that. And yeah, so I'll just share the PPT. So please check whether you all can see the PPT or not. Can you all see the PPT? Can you all see the PPT? Say yes or no, everyone. Can you all see the PPT? Why no one is replying? Very bad. See, no one is replying. Very good. I can see. Oh, just a minute. I cannot see chat section. Just a minute. Yeah, I hope you all can see now. We will get started with the questions now. This is one of the big chapter, so you will be having too many questions to answer. Nonetheless, I believe that you will all answer correctly. So we will get started now. The very first question, it is composition of N. What is N here? N is indicating nitrogen. Clear now? What is N? N is indicating nitrogen. The composition of N in air is 10. Clear now? The composition of N, that is nitrogen, in air is 10. Which of the following gas is not a greenhouse gas? So 21%, 98%, 18%, 78%. See students, this is one of the questions that you need to understand clearly. First listen very carefully. Whether you all are understanding or not, we'll see it later. First, I'll explain clearly, then you all can get started with respect to this answering part. So the question what they are asking, see, composition of nitrogen in air, it has to be 10%. Clear now? In the air, the composition of nitrogen should be 10. Clear now? It has to be 10. Which of the following gas is not a greenhouse gas? Clear now? Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? In the sense, that is, they are asking how much percentage will not be a greenhouse gas. So that is 78%. Clear now? Takshak, why do you want the remote control now? So the correct answer, it is 78%. Clear now? So 78%. We will go to the second question. You need not write it. Clear now? You need not write it. Please listen very carefully. That's more than sufficient. Movement of blank brings us rain and weather change. So movement of what brings the changes in rain and weather? Is it air, water, soil, or animals? Which is it? It is air. Very good. It is air. Reply only once. Reply only once. So it has to be air. So movement of air brings the change in rain and weather. So I think we all are experiencing this cyclone Nivar. Correct? No? That is the movement of air. I hope it is clear now. Third question, 97% water on earth. Please remember, it is 97% on water. water on earth is found in glaciers, oceans, rivers and ponds. So where they can find 97% of water on earth, where exactly they can find? Very good, they can find it in oceans. You have to reply only once, students. Clear now? You have to reply only once. Fourth question, amount of oxygen in atmosphere A and that of fresh water is B. So now you tell me what should be the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere and in the fresh water. A is acting the atmosphere, B is acting as the fresh water. Now you tell me what should be the percentage composition of oxygen in atmosphere and in the fresh water. What it should be, how much it should be? Yes, correct. It is 21% in the atmosphere, 3% in the fresh water. Clear now? 21% in the atmosphere, 3% in the fresh water. So option C is the correct answer. Very good. 21% in atmosphere, 3% in the fresh water. Next question, physical components of environment. Physical components of environment do not include tropical, Arctic, temperature, Antarctic. All of you please answer correctly. All of you please answer correctly. Which is the correct answer? Physical components of the environment do not include Antarctic. Clear now? It does not include the Antarctic region. So option D is the correct answer. Physical, see, tropical, Arctic and temperature, all these three are similar, fine, but Antarctic does not include. So that's the Antarctic is the region where there is extreme coldness. It is only present in the polar regions of the globe. So that is the reason we will not consider Antarctic. So option D is the correct answer. Snow and cold, very good. Blank is the exclusive source of energy on Earth. Blank is the exclusive source of energy on Earth. Which is the maximum source of energy on Earth? We cannot expect electricity. Don't try. Just answer the question. We will forward you the PPT. Blank is the exclusive source. Yes, it has to be sun, because sun is everywhere. The sun energy or the sun rays you can find almost everywhere. So that is the reason sun is the correct answer. Sun produces solar energy, and that solar energy can be converted into many different forms of energy, students. So option C, sun is the correct answer. Very good. Seventh question, the property of soil that helps it to hold water. So which property of the soil holds the water in the soil for the plant? It makes a water available for the plant. Mineral composition, soil profile, porosity, soil horizons. Clear now? Mineral composition, soil profile, porosity. Porosity in the sense to what extent the pores are there in the soil so that it can take up the water, and soil horizons. Please remember the correct answer, it is porosity. Clear now? What is the correct answer? The correct answer is porosity. What is that? It is indicating porosity in the sense it is the holes in the soil. So whenever you just put a water, that water has to go inside the soil, right? The water has to go inside the soil. So that going inside mechanism we are calling it as porosity, and that's going to be the correct answer. Clear now? Have you all understood all the 7 questions? Yes, Pranav, don't worry, I'll revise. 8th question, short-term property of atmosphere. Short-term property of atmosphere is called precipitation, weather, climate, evaporation. Be specific. I have explained this to everyone. C is the wrong answer. C is the wrong answer. Short-term property and long-term property, students, I have explained this to each one of you. How can you people forget? What I'm supposed to show, Ranjit? Very good. Weather is the correct answer. Clear now? Weather is the correct answer. Climate is indicating the long-term property. Clear now? Long-term property is climate and short-term property is weather. So I hope you all have understood now why majority of the students are requesting for remote control of your screen. Please tell me what big job you have to control now. If I see any such notification with your name, you will be removed from the session. Please mark my words. I'll show it, Ranjit, please, because we cannot just go again from the beginning. Definitely at the end, I'll show it to you. Please write down. Just check, read now. Don't write. Next question. Next question. The type of plant and animals of an area. The type of plant and animals of an area are affected by the blank of that area. So what is it? The type of plant and animals. Plant and animals. Please check. It has to be both soil type and climate. Clear now? Weather is the short term part, but climate is the long term thing, right? So that is the reason option D, soil type and climate, both of them are correct. So that is the reason we are having this. Any doubt, please leave a message in the chat section, please. Option D. Tushar, you will be removed from the session for sure now. Next, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, methane, and oxygen. So which is not the greenhouse gas? It's very simple, students. You all can answer it on your own. Get it done now. What is the correct answer? Very good. Oxygen. Oxygen is the one that is not a greenhouse gas. So option D is the correct answer. Clear now? Next, acid rain is mainly, I can see every message of yours. Please don't worry. I can see every message of yours. Acid rain is mainly caused by carbon monoxide. O3 is the ozone. Tushar, I will remove you from the session, Tushar. Please give me a minute. I'll just remove Tushar and then we all can get started. Good. You have only left. I'll just enable the waiting room. Okay, so acid rain is mainly caused by what? Acid rain is mainly caused by SO2, that is SO2. SO2. Clear now? SO2, that is sulfur dioxide. Please remember, acid rain is mainly caused by what? It is mainly caused by SO2. Sulfur dioxide, it is. Sulfur dioxide. Option C is the correct answer. Next, waterborne disease. What is waterborne disease, students? The disease which is caused by the water. I mean, the reproduction occurs because of the water. The one that we are calling it as what? Of course, it is diarrhea. Please message only once. Athar, why past so many times you're messaging? Please remember, you have to message only once. Option B, diarrhea is the correct answer. 13th question, what temperature range is found in the subtropical zone of Earth? Subtropical zone of Earth. So what is the correct answer? That is 18 to 23 degrees Celsius. Clear now? 18 to 23 degrees Celsius, and that's going to be the correct answer. So have you all understood all the 13 questions? Have you all understood all the 13 questions? Have you all understood all the 13 questions? Ranjit, yes, I'll show you, don't worry. Pranav, yes, please raise your hand, Pranav. Yes, wait. I have given the access to unmute Pranav.
Sir, in some 5 questions before, sir, you asked dash, sir, the plants and animals. Sir, can you move back, sir? I'll show you the question.
I just got your question. Yes, this is the question, I think.
Sir, here they asked the type of plant and animals, but the answer is weather and soil, sir. How is it? The type of plant or animal should be answered, so, sir.
See, the thing is very simple. Please understand the question here, Pranav. What they are trying to tell you is that in this part of the question, the type of plant and animal. See, here plant also should be affected. Animal should also be affected. Can you expect a plant to be affected by soil? Yes, because plant grows in the soil. And animals will be affected by the climate. Why climate? Because climate is the long-term effect. Do you know about winter sleep, summer sleep? Summer sleep and winter sleep happens because of the climate, not because of the weather. So there the animals is affected. Correct, no?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you understood or should I explain it for one more time?
Sir, understood, sir.
Okay, very good. So we will get started with the 14th question then. Fourteenth question. Evergreen forests are seen in the zone: soil, air, water, fishes. Where can you expect the evergreen forest? Forest, of course. Where can you expect? Weather will only stay. Say for example, just take an example now only. Bangalore has a cold weather in the morning, correct? No, hot weather in the afternoon, chilled weather in the evening, correct? No, that is weather. But what is climate? Climate is the seasons. Summer season, winter season, rainy season, like that. So soil is the correct answer. Clear now? Soil is the correct answer. Option A, soil is the correct answer. We will go to the 15th question. Type of vegetation in the subtropical zone. What kind of vegetation you can expect in the subtropical zone? What kind of vegetation you can expect in the subtropical zone? What kind of vegetation? Just a minute.